Hello guys, welcome to another video from Block 3 Review. In today's video, we're going to look at a very interesting product, basically hardware wallets. And based on request, we're going to look at Safepal X1, which is a popular crypto wallet, a popular and also very affordable hardware wallet. So basically to order yours, you can just go to safepal.com. So you can check the link is in the description, and of course you can download the wallet and everything. So once you're on the website, you can see we have three key products that you can use with the hardware wallet. We have the hardware wallet itself, the app, basically a wallet, a software wallet to manage your hardware wallet, and of course they also have an extension for browsers. So right here we have the safe bar. This is what we get from ordering. Okay, this is what we have from out of the box. This is what we have. So once you order yours, probably 2 3 weeks you get it, depending on your shipping option that you select. So you can just click here, you can buy now and then pay with cryptocurrency or anything available. So this is what you get after you order the product out of the box. We have, and of course, make sure you check the seal when you get your order. Check the seal to make sure you're using an original product, not something tampered with. So out of the box, this is what you get. You have this, and of course, we also have this, and then we have the hardware wallet itself. What else again? Yeah, so basically that's everything you have out of the box. You can see, then you can, yeah, this is everything we have. And yeah, we also have some stuff here, basically to clean your, like a wiper to clean your wallet once you, and yeah, of course some sheets here to write down your seed phrase, these, and yeah, this. So once you're done, you have your seed phrase. And before you set up your wallet, the first thing you want to do is download the application. And for you to do that, you just pick your phone, um, use the scan button. You can see, just scan the application. It just take you straight to the website. And once you're on the website, you can download the application, follow the steps, download and install the application from there. So moving forward, the next thing after installing your wallet, the wallet app, is for you to basically set up your wallet, your hardware wallet itself, like bring it on. So on the wallet we have the camera, the charging ports, and of course the power button, and the display, the control panel, the box here, the control keypad. So basically, an hardware wallet gives you the security you need to secure your crypto wallet. You can check. We have a video in the description that you can check to read more about what an hardware wallet is. So this particular approach, this particular product, boasts of a cold storage, in the sense that they offer complete isolation between your hardware wallet and your application, your other applications like your safe wallet and every other thing. So in order to interact with all these applications, you interact using this camera here. When you go back to the site, you see all the description there, everything you need to know about the functionality of the wallet and the whole thing there. So why is this important for you? So if you're a crypto person rather than enthusiast, or you're just you're a trader, whatever it is you do, an investor, of course you want to make sure your fund is secure and safe. And the Safepal wallet is one way to say one big provider of this quality product. We're going to check some of the functionalities of this particular application, both the software wallet and the hardware wallet itself. We're going to look at the ease of setup, how easy it is to set this particular stuff up. We are going to look at the security, how secure this stuff is. What are the functionalities available? We're going to look at the functionalities. Of course, we're also going to look at the support the community around this particular product. But if we have a problem, we can always reach out to the support team and we get a very quick response uh, regarding our products, because that's very, very important for any products that we review. I'm going to start with this. I'll try to pull this up by using the power button here. So you can see it's basically just boot up. And the next thing we see here is to select a language of our choice. We have like different language here that we can use. So I'm going to pick English. So it says device authentication. To make sure this device is new and authentic, please scan the coming QR code with your mobile phone. Okay, I'm going to do that with my phone here. And let's see what we have. So I'm going to click next. So it brought this QR code, which I can scan. Yeah, so once you scan it, it takes you straight to a website, and then tells you please press OK on the hardware wallet and enter the 6-digit PIN you can see there. So I'm going to follow through with that. So once I input the code, the next thing is to click next, and then yeah, so I've done that, and it says authenticate. Very good. So it says this device is an authentic device, and it's the first time of its authentication. Like this, like the first time someone is using this particular wallet. That's a very good one for us. So I'm going to scan the QR code on my phone. Yeah, it says congratulations, this device is successfully activated. So you get the QR code, you can see it on your phone, you scan it, and then you're good to go. So welcome to Safepal Wallet and every other thing there. We can see that. Let's begin. So the first thing I want to do is create a new wallet. And of course, if you have probably you have an existing wallet that you want to import, you can do that. But for now, I'm going to create a new wallet. Mnemonic. So I'm going to create. We understand what mnemonic phrase is. That's like basically words that are combined together to generate both your private keys and your public keys, which you use for like for signing transactions on the blockchain. So once you like create now, number of mnemonic, you can create any size, 12, 24, 8. It depends on what you want. So I'm going to just go with the 12 phrase and mnemonic. Yeah, I'm going to pick that. And I'm going to write down the value. I mean the words. So you're done with the seed phrase, like writing it down, you can just click OK. Yeah, so I'm only 2 steps. It says I'm only 2 steps away. So the next thing you want to do is to verify the mnemonics, the phrase we have written down. So I'll click next. So I'll just follow through. Once you verified your PIN, the next thing, I mean verified your seed phrase, the next thing you want to do is create a new PIN. So I'll click on set my PIN and I'll just input my PIN. Once I'm done, I'll click OK. So you want to make sure you input your 6 digits. 6 digits as a minimum. Once you put that, you navigate to the check mark here and click OK. So it says enter PIN again. So you follow the same process, enter your PIN and validate. Once you're done, you click enter and it says configuring, please wait for 10 to 15 seconds. So we are almost done. Yeah, it says wallet is created. Please name your wallet. So you can give your wallet a name. You can call it whatever you feel. So I'm going to call it a name. So you can use the navigation button here to navigate around, like to pick whatever it is you want to use as a name. So once you're done, just click done. So I name it FM. So you can name it whatever you feel. Okay. Then the next step for me, like I said, you can use the scan code earlier to download the Safepal application, or you can just use the QR code generated here again. So that's like the next step. So once you're done, you want to set up your wallet and connect it to your Safepal wallet, the hardware wallet itself. So once you're done installing the application, what you want to do is open the Safepal app on your iPhone or your Android phone. Click Get Started. So to ask you to input your password, I'm going to do that. So I'm going to enter the password again. Confirm my password. Once you're done with inputting your password, you've created a new password. The next thing is for you is to click the next button, and then you can set up your Face ID or your fingerprint, whichever one you use. It's okay. So it's also requesting for me to create a pattern. So I'm just going to create a simple pattern. I'm going to create this again. So yeah, basically with this, we are set to go. So start SafePal journey and add a wallet to start your journey. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect it to my hardware wallet, which I have here. After that is click hardware, wallet setup. You can see the instruction, wallet administrator. Click the scan button. Once I click the scan the QR code. On your hardware wallet, you want to click on the scan option here. We have several options: scan, asset management, sign-in history, and settings. But for this purpose, in order to connect your hardware wallet to your SafePal wallet, like the software wallet, you need to scan. So to scan, I'm going to use click next on your phone and enter security password. So I'm going to enter my password again. So once you input your password, the next thing you want to do is scan the QR code on your mobile phone. So it says confirm to pair with this wallet. So you can either cancel or click OK. So I'm going to click OK. It's requesting for my PIN. So you input your PIN and click you click this check mark here. So once you've input your password, your PIN, you click the check mark, and then it shows this scan something. So I'm going to allow my phone to scan. Then once you do, you scan, you scan, you scan, you scan, you scan. So and you're in. So it's that simple, very straightforward setup process, and um, very straightforward. So once you've input you've connected to your hardware device, you can see on the screen says congratulations, you're now ready to explore safe, and yeah, basically you're good to go. And of course, you can join the group. Join now. So you can join the group, contribute. Basically they have a community around the products, and that is very important for any Web3 product. So if you have a complaint or anything, you can always join. I'm not going to join anyways for now. Yeah, I'm just going to. Yeah, you can see all your assets here. We have coin, NFT, and some, can access DeFi applications, basically dApps.
All right, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing and the setup guide. I'm in review. In our coming video, we're going to look at how we can use the wallet itself, how we can set it up, transfer assets, tokens, and the likes. So while you're still here, please do well to subscribe to our channel, like the video, share, and also stay in touch with us. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on this video.